At 11:47 p.m., the elevator doors opened. No one was inside, but security logs showed someone had just called it from the 6th floor. The building was quiet. Only 4 residents were home. The hallway cameras showed nothing unusual. No movement. No shadows. No one near the elevator. Still, the system confirmed it. The button on the 6th floor had been pressed. When investigators reviewed the footage from that floor, they noticed something strange. Apartment 6B. At exactly 11:46 p.m., the door slowly opened, just a few inches. It stayed open for 3 seconds. Then it closed. No one stepped out. At 12:12 a.m., the resident of 6B reported hearing footsteps outside their door. The next morning, the apartment was empty. Follow Final Footsteps for the full story.